So I am back for my video for this weekend. It's just a short little video. I mean, it's not really that short, but I don't have my video up from my door because I don't have everything that I need. And so I'm going to finish a sign that I started a while ago. We had some scrap wood, so I wanted to make a sign for the house. And it's just from a song lyric from the Maren Morris song, Bones. I really like the line, so I was gonna make the sign for Shane. I mean, I guess it's not really a gift for him, but more so just like for the house, and that's how I feel here with him. So it's the last sentence of the chorus that said, that says the house won't fall when the bones are good. I really liked that, so I wanted to put it on a sign. I don't have a Cricut. My mom has one, my cousin has one, my sister-in-law has one. But the whole idea of all my videos is how to use what you have rather than going out and buying things. So what I'm doing is I printed out on the computer the letters like in the font that I wanted and made it big enough. I had to print it out like 3 times to figure out the right size. And then what I do is, I don't remember how or when I learned this, but I've been doing it for forever. I actually like would forge my mom's signature with this. But you flip the paper over and you color over the letters with pencil, really dark. You trace over the letters, like the outline of them. And then when you remove the paper, there's like a stencil of it on the wood or whatever you want to put the font onto. And then I'll just hand paint it with maybe black paint. I don't really know yet, but that'll probably just be the hardest part. This part's a little time consuming, but I'll show you it, and it's really cool how it works. But as always, please like, comment, and share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I know that you're watching. And let's just get into it.